megalayapost.news.
Emily kanungpo oba Merel Bonsim mentangsi ulalij dan menikendu ya kisamla ke umling blog. Ibalalij bentribit inade haka Chief Minister Career Guidance Scheme balak pelong hari village. Mat gebalai trilang ru mat gebor sensar distrik riboy nak mentaban prilat lilinti ya kisamla ke badan sim menipun ya kisamission berferufer. Kene dilik du Emily ya kisamla matman along bantuan dimut naki adu penuh kiyo dimutoi nak ketika Career Guidance. Nak mentaban prosedur itu kisamla ke badan sisai kisim banipun kam haki exam kam berferufer. Hakan digesengi oleh yolat ru banimir jemut ikun semla. Bat oleh yuk pediang ru sibun kijing perseu nak semla. Nak benta benang penjanai ya performa jingkai. Nang bagani kejeka jingkai kan long sisya kijing mentoi ya ikun semla.
Because it's so much 6 weeks is not enough because they are it's a vast subject to the California. So we need more knowledge to be gained. It could be extended further, so it will be more beneficial to us nationally.
More session.
So I think the coaching is going well and I'm happy with it. And I'm learning so many new things and I'm committed with the time also. But then since I did it even last year also, but the crowd was a little less, like only half of the hall used to be full. But then this time like we are in large number. So the board is a little small. Which the teacher used to write. So some of them, like the pace of writing is like slow, some of them are fast. So the teachers are finding difficulty to wait for the others. So I will request a little bigger board if it's possible.
You are using the present board or your own?
No, it's college board.
College board where it's already there.
It's a whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
From my side, I would like to speak on the good points of this because as per my experience, like from my academic fields, I have never experienced like this type of teachers. So even in the field papers I have given, like if I were to get such type of teachers during my academic life, I could never leave even science stream.
Or you were in science stream?
Not in science stream, but I took in arts. But then if I went to get from class 10 and all this type of pictures, so I did not have the heart to leave the science stream. So regarding, we are adding to two of my friends now. They told that the board is a little small. Yes, it is. And also there is fluctuation of electricity at times because during daytime, like it feels a little hot also. And like some even teachers, so that I think they feel a bit congested in teaching. But then hope that these things will be seen.
Mendeteski na iyo aban wan hangni di boy college naga benta ban iyo feedback na di kun samla ki jongi ki badang don apedeng jong ka coaching class kabala penbet naga liang tunga UMLA naga dengan Trilang bat ke district administration bat kumju so ke ngarap untuk Chief Minister Career Guidance Scheme kepada celah di wan kenang ni ban ya kedu ya kini ki studi ban interact ban sungsu lane ka jing mentoi ka bagiyo na gani coaching class adu ka no kala ya rap ki bakin keren dengan layo ay gani feedback kila small tenat ki long kemen bagane ka coaching kala ya kala don ban lu ki don session ki juki ki bagila pen snow ki jing duna ang tai kumno banginang kampan bahas su ya gani ka coaching bila ngalan tekno di gini ki bentah ka bangin ang ile ka pala ban ya keren ban penbit penbiang na kamenta kumno yang kindon kami ai kule ya ka manajemen jong ribu high college ki bala sya sumha na kentan penlong ya gani ka free coaching kam sampai kun sam lagi jogi bat ha ki por ki ban wan ru ni scam ribu high college ka di ka we ni ka slam je ka pule ka baju persan ni kun ni kenang ai ka lat ban yang ka MLA ru minang shim ni ka kabu ba da skin ga bengi ni dan na ka bentaki awareness na ka bentaki and sensitize kun sam lagi demi ban ai jengerap ai hikai nam kenang la ban yo yo kicimot ban compete ya kini ki competitive exam lah gede ya DSC MPSC la ni kini ki recruitment board la ne CUET bat kiwi dem da kasi ada pergi dokumen bagane ka program ya ka bangi la yakut bagai penyai lang ba da institute ni hot ka time bat ba kila ikai bah ki jementoy di kena iklayo ban ngangin scam bah ki por ban wanru ko me amli ingin dang introduce ya kini ki coaching class ki hukum kini nak por
Meghalaya Post.news